The first thing that you ought to be doing as soon as you install BuddyBoss is start turning things off. If you go over here, the default menu here in the right dropdown has 38 items in it, which is a way to illustrate how all the BuddyBoss components work. However, it's overwhelming. No one course builder needs every single function. And this is more for illustration because even if you were using them, this is just too many things in a menu for your customers. So the first thing I recommend you do is walk on over to BuddyBoss and then go to components and select all of them and deactivate them. So I'm going to deactivate them here. Yes, I'm going to deactivate them. Turning them back on later is actually pretty straightforward to do, but it's best to turn them on after you've learned which one of them you want to include in your site. Turn them on one at a time. Now, I am turning off, I don't know, 10 or 11 of these components. So now you see that they're all off. If I go over to the main site and I refresh, now you see that the only one it's showing is the profile, and even that is kind of too much. Now, the site still has the members table, so you can come up and display the members. You won't be able to display groups and other things, and you'll notice here that the messaging menus go away. So turn them on one at a time. Now, one more step is there's a right drop-down menu. Now, I've created one that has a logout. This is a custom logout that I use, but it's very easy to go down into BuddyBoss, scroll all the way to the bottom, and just add a logout. And then what you do is you assign this to the profile dropdown. So I'm going to do that now. If I go here, I'm going to refresh, and you'll see that the profile disappears because it's no longer, this menu is no longer built with the default BuddyBoss options. It's my menu and I control what appears inside of it. So just a quick tip. This is the way I get started whenever I'm building a BuddyBoss site for a client, and it probably will help you to simplify things, keep you from getting overwhelmed, and requiring you to go component by component and decide which ones you actually need in your implementation.